Hello everyone, this is Varma, online chess coach from India. Today I am going to show you one short game in which black won. White started with e4, knight f6. This is Alekhine Defense. Pawn to e5, attacking knight, knight d5, knight f3, developing a piece, d6, attacking center pawn, bishop e2, knight f4. Threat is knight g2 check, winning a pawn. Bishop f1 supporting the g2 pawn. D cross e5. White cuts with knight. Queen d5. Knight under attack. Now queen e4 check. White has only one good option, that is bishop e2. If queen e2, knight will cut. Bishop e2. Knight g2 check. King f1. Bishop h3. Now discover check threat is there. d3 trying to attack queen. Knight h4, discover check. King e1. If king goes g1, then queen g4. Now knight cross f3, checkmate. Bishop is pinned, so bishop cannot move. Thank you for watching.